Hello everyone, welcome back to the new class. See, now you know we have started chapter 3, which is kinds of sentence. If you have seen previous video, so in that we have discussed statement, questions and commands. We have discussed kinds of sentence and now we will do exercises. Here in page number 7, exercise D. Write as for statements. If you think in these there are some sentences and if you think it is statement, so you have to write as. If you and next is Q for questions. If you think it is question, so Q, and C for commands. And if you think these sentences are commands, so you have to write C for that. Now we will do the first one. It is Pongal is a popular harvest festival. Okay, so if you see, Pongal is a popular harvest festival. In this sentence, do you think it is a question? Do you think it is a command? No. If you see Pongal is a popular festival, somebody is giving you information that this is popular festival. So here, if somebody gives you any kind of information, somebody tells you something, so it will be statement. Statement means we have to write S. Alright, Pongal is a popular harvest festival, so it will be S. Now we will move to the next sentence. It is, in which state Pongal mainly celebrated? In which state Pongal mainly celebrated? So if you see here, nobody is telling you any information but asking you, right? Asking you what? In which state Pongal mainly celebrated? So it will be question. And you can see the question mark also here, right? This is question mark. So it will be question, means we have to write Q. Alright, we have to write Q because it is question. Now we will do third one. Ma'am, tell us some stories connected with Pongal. Now students are saying, ma'am, tell us some stories connected with Pongal. Alright, so it will be command because students are requesting to a teacher that, ma'am, please tell us some stories related to Pongal. So they are requesting basically, so it will be command. It is not question, it is not statement, it will be command. Fourth one. Do come to attend my sister's wedding. Do come to attend my sister's wedding. If you see, this sentence has started with verb. So any sentence which starts with verb will be command, right? Like open the window, close the window. So these are kind of sentence is command. Alright, this is not question because there is no any question mark and no one is telling you any information, but do come to attend my sister's wedding, right? It is command. Next is, my parents will be happy to meet you. So somebody is saying, my parents will be happy to meet you. See, like somebody is saying some information, somebody is telling some information. Alright, so if you see here, there is no any question mark. Alright, so it will be statement. Then we will write S. Alright, so we have done 5 sentences related to statement, questions and commands. In the next video we will discuss some more sentences Till then, take care. Bye bye.